Good afternoon, Cardinals. Today's new learning, get into modules, will be the start of a 2-day introduction review looking at the 8 features of a civilization. So when we get in here, we get down, we find today's date, 10/19. Always find that day's day or today's date. Civilization Introduction Part 2. And I say Part 2 because we really touched on this back at the end of September, but as you can see, that was almost a month ago that we were looking at the 8 features and kind of getting into that before the Common Assessment Review and before previewing Mesopotamia with that Quizlet, which you will revisit today if you have time. But let's get into today's module. So up here at the top, you'll read through these directions here. Some from 80,000 BCE until around 15,000 BCE. Humans lived as nomads, traveling from Africa to Asia to Europe and back, following herds of animals and doing what they could to survive. Agriculture began a new age in human history by laying the foundation for the formation of civilizations. Before fall break, we learned about the 8 features of a civilization and how each plays a role in advancing a civilization. Today and tomorrow, we're going to review the 8 features of a civilization, how civilizations got started before looking at the 4 ancient river valley civilizations, which we will start on Monday this next week. Today's assignment is to read pages 1 through 4 of the Explore tab. Tomorrow, we're going to read pages 5 through 8. Feel free to knock that out ahead of time if you would like to. But you will have a quiz, 4 quiz questions to answer while reading through that. So here's the link right here. Okay, you're going to open that link. It should take you, once you sign in here, it'll take you. Mine will take me here. It'll take you to the Engage page. I want you to read the Engage page. This kind of hits on what we talked about back in September, the 4 basics of survival: food, water, shelter, and protection. And so if you guys think back, we did that water activity. Understanding living close to the river is so important. Water is so important. Read through this question. Feel free to watch this video down here at the bottom, and then hit the Next tab. When you get to the Next tab, it takes you to Explore, page number 1. You're going to read page 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Now, as you are reading and as you are finishing up, so let's say you read through page number 1. Okay? On your quiz here, you're going to click Start Quiz, and it'll take you, and as you can see, there are 4 questions here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Question number 1 is going to be page 1 of the reading. Question number 2 going to be page 2 of the reading. Question 3, page 3 of the reading, and question 4, page 4 of the reading. 1 question per page that you will answer. So for question number 1, why did agriculture have such a major impact on human civilizations? How did agriculture, how did farming, how did this lead to the growth of civilizations? Why was this such a big deal? Question number 2, job specialization is the growth of a variety of skills and jobs. What types of jobs were listed in the reading in ancient civilizations? So there's a list of those. What types of jobs did you read about? Question 3, in early agricultural civilizations, what social class had the most power? And where was that social class located? What is a city-state, and what types of things did the government in a city-state do? Okay, so define city-state, and then tell me, list what types of things was the government in a city-state responsible for. Okay, after you get done with that and your 4 pages of reading, you submit quiz, and that is your assignment today. If you have extra time, make your way to the Mesopotamia Preview, which will be the what we did before break, and that is that Quizlet activity. looking at Mesopotamia, the Fertile Crescent, and some of the key vocabulary terms we need to know. All right, guys. Have a good day. Miss y'all. Love you all. If you have questions, please send them my way.